Hello. So, one of the most prevalent questions that I've been asked over the years is, how can you ride in the rain? Like, totally, like, how can you ride in the rain? Well, Mr. Hipster guy that I totally just came up with to strawman the situation in order to get the conversation going. It's quite complex, pretty involved process. It starts with starting the bike. That is key. And then once the bike is started and the juices are flowing and everything's happy, then I get on it. Now from here, you really got to pay attention. You pull the clutch in and you put it in gear. And you let the clutch out while giving it gas. And you're riding in the rain. In all seriousness, though, it's not complicated. There's really nothing to it. It's just, you know, you reduce your lean angle and you don't accelerate as hard and you don't brake as quickly, and you got to watch out for lines because the paint gets really slick when it's wet. Other than that, riding a bike in the rain is just like riding a bike. So, challenge yourself one day. Get out there when the rain is falling. I'm sorry, all you Southern California people. This may not apply to you. But everyone else, get out there, enjoy a little rain, especially late summer when it's nice and warm and you get those little sprinkles. It can be quite pleasant. The smell of the petrichor in the air, the sizzle of the water on your radiator and engine. It's life's little pleasures that really let you know you're living. Yeah, I like that. I never said I was a really good philosopher. So, till next time, short little fun one for you. Stay safe out there. And I will talk to you later. Peace.